Hola amigos! Today I'm gonna be making a very special butter cookie recipe. My grandma always makes them to have around the house and they're especially popular during the holidays. We only need a few ingredients and they'll be ready in no time. So let's get started. In a mixer with a paddle attachment, cream the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Remember to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Then beat again. Add the egg and beat again. Add the sifted flour and a pinch of salt. Then beat again. Now add the vanilla and beat one last time. They're usually made with a cookie press, but today I'll be showing you how to make them using a piping bag instead. We're gonna place the mix in a piping bag that's fitted with a large star tip. Place the piping bag in the fridge for 30 minutes. Pipe out small stars of cookie dough onto a baking tray lined with baking paper. Hold the bag in a 90-degree angle and squeeze for a count of 2 and lift up. Leave plenty of space as they will expand in the oven. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until they're dark golden all over. Once cool, toss with some icing sugar. Yum! They're so buttery, the texture is great. They almost dissolve as soon as you take a bite. I could eat the whole tray, but I have to resist. These cookies are great as a stocking filler to give out to friends as edible gifts and to just have around the house during the holidays. As always, thanks so much for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and leave me your comments below. Adios amigos!